Welcome back to English with Eleanor. Today I'm going to share with you some weird and wonderful words that are used a lot in everyday language at the moment. Let's jump into it. Number one, staycation. This one became really popular during the COVID pandemic because people were taking holidays in their own countries. And that's basically what a staycation is. It is a vacation where you stay in your country. The second word is hangry. Hangry is when you are hungry and it is making you angry. This happens to me a lot, to be honest. The third example is mocktail. Mocktail is a cocktail that is non-alcoholic. So for example, my daughter likes to have a mocktail when we are on holidays. I shouldn't say that, should I? Number four, frenemy. This is somebody who is kind of your friend, but also your enemy. Maybe you have examples of people like this in your life. I don't know. And the last one, number five, is situationship. So this is when two people are not quite in a relationship, but they are not really single either. So it's kind of this phase in the middle. These words are called portmanteau words. So this is a French word and it's used for words like this that are two words combined into one, and the meaning of both comes into the new word. Like for example, staycation, staying at home for a vacation, staycation. Or brunch, breakfast and lunch, brunch. We have this meal kind of in the middle of the morning. Have you heard these words before? If you know any other examples of words like this, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.